We'll guide you through how to transfer files from Dropbox easily and efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com, log in to your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Dropbox homepage. Here, you'll see a list of your files and folders. Find the file or folder you want to transfer. Hover over it, and you'll notice a Share button appearing on the right side. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear, giving you a few options. You can enter an email address to share this file directly with someone. Simply type in their email and hit the Share button. Alternatively, if you want to transfer the file to another service or save it to your device, click on the Copy Link button instead. This will generate a link that you can paste into an email, message, or URL bar to access the file from any device. If you want to download the file directly to your computer, click on the three dots next to the file name and select Download from the drop-down menu. This will start the download process and save the file to your default Downloads folder. Remember that if you're sharing large files, make sure your recipient has enough storage space available. And if you're planning to transfer multiple files, consider downloading them as a zip file by selecting multiple files and choosing the Download option. This makes it easier and quicker to manage. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.